Hey guys, this is Rob at Lukat Detail. We have an exposed base coat where the clear coat came off. I'm always talking about blending the base coat with the clear coat, but you have to make this shiny. How are you going to make it shiny? You're going to use this. Lukat Fix It. It's a paint cleaner. This is not car wax. Look at how much color and gloss is still on this paint job. So I'm going to put this on and just rub back and forth. No circles. This is not a wax. Okay? So when you do this, you're cleaning off the contaminated, oxidized paint, but you're not biting into the good paint. Okay, it's cleaner, not cutter. Look how beautiful that's coming out. Voila. So, if you watch that video where we're repairing and feathering back the edges on a peeled clear coat, you can use this to bring back the color on the paint job. See, this is now closer to this. Not because I waxed it, but because I cleaned it. Now, you want to keep this shiny for as long as possible. You want to use Easy Wax. Easy Wax is different from regular waxes because it's a sealer as well. It cleans too, but if you use this after you clean it, you don't need the cleaner anymore. You put this on, work it well into the paint, let it dry, and as soon as it dries up, voila. Now, if you simply feather back the edges right here, can you see that? If you feather this back, you can polish this out and it'll blend. And if this is refracting light, you won't really notice it unless if you point it out. And see how hazy that light is right there? You can use it on lights. I mean, remember, this is paint cleaner. You can use it on hazy lights and stuff like that. Just gonna put some on here. If your paint job looks terrible, guys, clean it. Clean it. Just clean it. Look at, I'm just rubbing back and forth. Look how nice that's coming out. Okay. Remember, this is not wax, this is cleaner. Look how much clear lens is on there. Okay. If you have crusty layers like that, just get 400, 500, 600 grit sandpaper, sand it down. Wet or dry, I prefer wet. Hit it with this afterwards and it'll clear up. You got base coat that's exposed, clean it up, seal it up. You got clear coat, look at the clear coat right here. Even though it's blistering, the point of this is to show you that this is a paint cleaner, okay? I'm gonna put some on there like that. I'm not gonna remove the blisters. This is a color and gloss cleaner. So when you do this, you're gonna bring back the color and the gloss by cleaning. Again, all I'm doing is cleaning, not waxing. Look how beautiful that came out. Okay, there's shine again. So a lot of times when people call me up and they tell me their paint jobs are oxidized, I tell them just clean it. If it's peeling, clean it. You can sand these down and re-clear coat them. You can do the rattle can thing or do it professionally, have it done. But if you ain't got that pretty nickel, then you got this. You can make this. It's way better than that. So you can clean your exposed base coat, whatever clear coat remains, your headlight lenses, you can do all that stuff using this. The Lukat Fix It. This is not a wax, it's a paint cleaner. This brings back the color and gloss by cleaning and polishing back to a smooth and glossy state. So again, these demos are for you to see that this is a cleaner, not a wax. You can use it for a lot of stuff, guys. You can use it on headlight lenses, dust streaks on windows, old clear coats, base coats, those old vintage paint jobs with the oxidized patina. You can clear them up with this. Anyways, this is Rob signing off. And join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later, guys.